This is Chris, the Idaho painter from Paint Life TV, and I'm going to be talking briefly here about some tape. And I get questions all the time about tapes, and I've got three tapes right here I just want to talk about. And the orange tape is something I'm getting a lot of questions, not just nationally, but worldwide about this tape. And one of it is because of the color. But this is the production tape that we use, and a production tape in general is cheaper than a non-production tape. And this is Frogtape Pro Grade Orange tape. Frogtape also has Pro Grade Blue Painter's tape, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the difference between the blue and then Frogtape Green, the traditional tape that has paint block technology. Now, these two tapes, the blue and the green, have paint block technology, and the orange does not. And I started using Frogtape years and years and years ago, the traditional green tape, and this is one of those things that just showed up in painting, and it was very innovative. It really changed painting, really changed how we went about painting, and it was one of those innovative ideas and products that helped us make money. It just really comes down to making money. And Frogtape Green has paint block technology, and this technology is a technology on the outside of the tape. It's a polymer that swells up when any type of liquid hits it, and this makes it so you can get perfectly straight lines when it comes to painting. Now, how has this actually revolutionized painting, and how is this innovative? Well, it used to take somebody, it could take you 3, 4, 5, 6 years to learn how to cut in a straight line, say around a door, a window, trim, or even baseboards. You can literally now take somebody that has no painting experience, and in 1 month, they could be getting perfectly laser sharp painting lines with Frogtape Green. And that's because of this paint block technology, and it's a patented technology that only Frogtape has. It's one of those top 5 most amazing, game-changing products or tools that every painter should have. I eventually started using, orange tape. This is a production tape, unlike Frogtape. This is, it is Frogtape's Pro Grade Orange production tape. This does not have paint block technology. This is a production tape, significantly cheaper. We use production tapes just for your everyday masking. And when I'm masking a house, when it comes to masking floors, masking windows, masking painted surfaces, fences, roof, this is an all-around tape that sticks to a wide variety of surfaces. And one of the reasons why I switched from your everyday beige production tape, which I used for years and years, this stuff sticks better than any tape that I've ever used before in my entire career. It sticks to things like fences. It sticks to things like dusty roofs. It sticks to hot, humid surfaces. It just sticks to everything. And one of the things, the drawbacks to a tape that actually sticks so much is it doesn't release very well. But this is unlike any other tape. It sticks so well, but then also releases consistently and very easily, and it does not splinter. There's nothing more annoying than production tape that splinters, because now you're trying to pick off that tape off the surface. Another difference between orange production tape and green Frogtape is green Frogtape has a 21-day release. A production tape, this tape has a 3-day release. So the paper, the adhesive is going to start to dry. It's going to start to splinter if you start to leave it beyond that release timetable. Now, Frogtape Green Frogtape themselves, they've come out with Frogtape Blue now, because the green is individually packaged, and this package itself keeps the tape protected because it is expensive tape. You don't want moisture getting on it. You don't want it getting banged up, dinged up. And so they package it individually. And so that makes it a little bit more expensive. The same technology has gone into blue tape. This has paint block technology. It has the polymer to the outside edge of the tape that swells up, doesn't allow anything to leak underneath. But this has a premium paper on it. This has a non-premium paper that's a little bit less expensive, and then it's also packaged in 4 packs like your standard production tape. Standard production tape is typically packaged like this. It keeps the cost of the tape down. But Frogtape Blue now, 4 packs, It's got a non-premium tape that's a little bit thicker, so it just makes a more affordable option. When it comes to frog tape, these products truly have revolutionized our painting process, how we've gone about painting, how we've gone about teaching, the new guys how to paint. We don't have to put a brush in a roller and just wait around for years and years for them to learn how to cut in a straight line. The quicker they can get a brush in their hand, the quicker an employee can cut in a straight line or outdoor jams, the faster they are going to start making you money. And so this is a way to get an employee, out of that training phase into the money-making phase. So the simple way to get high quality professional results is just to use Frogtape's line of tapes.